Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called How to Force Your Insurance Company to Reimburse You for Your Claim. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help spread the word. Now, let's get started. Here's a question for you. Let's say your house burns down or gets destroyed by a storm, or your car gets stolen and your insurance company simply refuses to reimburse you the proper amount. What can you do? Sometimes they do pay after a long and deliberate delay designed to inconvenience you and wear down your resolve, your fighting spirit. But what can you do if they don't pay you or they don't pay you properly? One thing you can do is to hire a lawyer to take legal action against them. Oftentimes, just having a lawyer send your insurance company a legal demand letter will be enough to get them to settle with you. Insurance companies know how much juries hate them. But if that doesn't work, or you don't have the time or the money to hire a lawyer, then you may want to consider waging an online social media campaign to tell everyone how the insurance company is mistreating you. If you can post an audio or a video of the discussions or the interactions you've had with your insurance company on social media, then that could motivate them to settle as well. But before you do anything, you should check with the laws of your state to see what is legal to do and what isn't. If you make a video about how they're mistreating you and it goes viral, then that could put enough pressure on them to settle quickly with you. There was one lady years ago in a TV news story who filed more than 25 lawsuits against her insurance company for not settling with her. The insurance rep actually went on camera and said that there's absolutely no doubt in their minds that this woman is a fraudster. He said, "We believe she is a con woman who does this for a living, but the cost of defending against all these lawsuits that she has filed against them is not only exhausting them, but it's causing his bosses to force him to settle with her." Now, we don't know who is telling the truth in that story and who isn't. But if someone sues you 25 times or more, then there's definitely more to this story than either side is admitting to. What about when insurance companies cancel their policies for strange reasons? Like in Florida, for example, now some insurance companies will refuse to renew their homeowner's policy if your roof is more than 10 years old. Now think about this. The average roof can cost between $10,000 and $30,000 to replace, but here's the problem. Some roofs are made to last longer than 20 years. Some roofs last 50 years. Why should an insurance company force you to replace your roof before its life expectancy has expired? That doesn't make any sense. We suspect it's only a matter of time before the Florida government intervenes and puts a stop to this ridiculousness. Now, whenever you're dealing with any insurance company, you should always be respectful and professional and polite. But if they don't address your insurance claim properly, then you should consider speaking to a lawyer before you go to the press. Remember, the press may or they may not help you. They may or may not agree with your claim. There are a lot of things that can go wrong when you go to the press. And here's the really dangerous part. If the press doesn't agree with you, then we suspect your insurance company will pay even less attention to you and your claim. So go online, do your research, talk to your friends and experts, and get properly informed before you take any action. The key here is to get a proper settlement. It's not to start a 10-year legal battle with your insurance company. Here's something else to keep in mind. There is more power in a group than there is in an individual claim. If you need to go on social media and you try and connect with other people who've been abused or mistreated by your insurance company, then that can make a big difference. If you do that, then consider taking legal action as a group or starting a public relations campaign against the insurance company as a group of individuals. Remember, you'll always get more interest and help from the media if you come to them as a large group, all filing the same claim or describing the same problems. The press loves it when large groups of people need help. With that, I want to thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help get the word out. Thank you, and we shall talk to you soon. Bye-bye.